Can animals predict natural disasters? Source: Science Illustrated. By visualgk.com. Volcanoes and earthquakes give warnings, from temperature changes to minor tremors and gas leaks, that animals can detect, better than any instrument. Various wild and domestic animals, and sometimes insects, can provide clues, to warn of impending earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, hours, days or even weeks before they occur. In recent times, researchers have been able to observe the behaviors of animals, prior to several significant natural events. For instance, between 2012 and 2014, they monitored animal reactions, before a series of Mount Etna eruptions, as well as before earthquakes struck central Italy, in 2016 and 2017. It was observed that goats and sheep evacuated the slopes of Mount Etna before the eruptions, moving towards areas with high vegetation, which indicated places rarely affected by previous lava flows. Based on this observation, researchers concluded that animals seemed to sense an impending disaster, at least 4 to 6 hours before it occurred. Ants get warm feet. As magma rises to the surface, the temperature of the soil changes. Ants live within a very specific temperature range, so quickly realize when something is wrong. Snakes feel minor tremors. Volcanic eruptions and earthquakes are often preceded by minor tremors. A snake's sophisticated sense of vibration can identify that something is wrong. Fish move away from gas leaks. Before a volcanic eruption, gases seep through the soil, into lakes and streams. Fish and other aquatic animals tend to move to the surface before an eruption. Birds sense changes in the magnetic field. When rock layers are pressurized before an earthquake, the magnetic and electromagnetic fields change. Birds use magnetic fields for navigation, and so can sense and react to unusual changes. Sheep move away from eruptions. Researchers have observed groups of sheep leaving the slopes of volcanoes hours before eruptions strike. Please like, share, and subscribe. visualgk.com